Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. I am here today to show you how to remove background from any image. You just need to upload into a website called remove.bg, that is remove background. Then after coming here, what you need to do is you just need to upload the image that you want to remove the background. So as you can see here, this dog image has a background. So after uploading here, it's going to remove the background from it. This is the actual image, so it has removed the background, and after downloading it you can download it. So this way you can easily remove background from any image. Yep, thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.